Hey guys, Matt DeLong, and I'm here to give you the Real Life Trading September challenge. So for September, we're going to be doing 3 challenges. We're going to do a real challenge, a life challenge, and a trading challenge. For our real challenge, I want you guys to get out and walk for 2 hours straight, sometime during the month of September. It's getting cooler, leaves are starting to turn, fall is coming in, and I want you guys to get out and do 2 hours of just one 2-hour session of walking sometime during the month of September. For our life challenge, I want you guys to get out and evaluate a fixer-upper, a real estate fixer-upper. You guys may have seen the Fix or Flip TV shows, and what I want you to do is I want you to drive around your area and I want you to find those annoying "We Buy Houses" signs, and I want you to call them, not to sell your house, but I want you to call them and ask if they have any deals, any off-market, off MLS deals that you can evaluate. Then I want you to look at those deals, maybe get your name, phone number, email, and put yourself on a mailing list. And so when you get those emails that say, hey, we have a property for you to look at, I want you to drive by and I want you to plug the address into Zillow, and I want you to just start a rough evaluation of a fixer-upper, and that's what we're doing for the month of September. Now for our trading challenge, I want you guys to squeeze off 3 R's trading nothing but Apple call options. Okay, you can sell covered calls, you can do whatever you want, buy directional options, but I want you to make 3 R's on Apple options, and that is our real life trading. Look at this beautiful view. Hey, where is he? And that is our real life trading September challenge.